Hyundai, what's that?
Hyundai. Do you know Hyundai?
Hyundai?
Hyundai.
Yeah, it's a car.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hyundai is Korean.
But this is a nice song also by them. Yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to the interview. Please take a seat.
Ito ba to? That's his verse.
Wow.
So what can you say? No, I'm not joking. That's their song.
Oh yeah. I know.
Yes.
Wow. Yes.
They have a lot of cool song like Bazinga! Yeah! Like that. Gasolina!
Jinto.
Yes.
Jinto. Okay.
Dito! Tsaka Jean Bilog.
Jinto. I add my list.
Oo. Kumaw.
No, it's fine.
Kumawa. You're so supportive, Monik. What's the name of your real estate? I will promote it. If I will buy a house there in Korea, I will message you.
Oh, thank you very much. And actually,
Mga magkano lang yan kaya? Mga 50 million, okay na ba yung budget na yun, no?
do you know Signiel?
Padilla?
Sig
Sina? Who?
Signiel is the Korea highest building. Lotte 잠실 nearby 잠실. Lotte Signiel.
The Lotte Mall?
Yeah, right. Lotte Mall.
I've been there.
Yes. Actually, I visited there and I took shooting YouTube content. I introduced Signal Lotte World Mall.
Oh yeah, I love it there. It's full of luxury brands.
It is nice residence.
Yeah, right.
Philippines has highest building.
Our highest building is Sogo. Joke. Our highest building. What is the highest building?
Highest. How long?
Ano, Justin?
Oh no. I think we don't have like very tall buildings.
Really?
Yeah.
But we have tall mountains.
Yeah. Like we don't have tall building, but we have long bridges. San Juanico Bridge. What is the tallest building in the Philippines? Oh, it's the Grand Hyatt.
Grand Hyatt.
Yeah. Grand Hyatt na pala, pinaka-tallest building. Yeah.
What if, where do you live in Korea, in Seoul?
Yes, I live in Seoul.
Yeah. I miss Seoul. I left my soul in Seoul. Yan yung caption ko sa IG ko.
Is it ba?
Mingu is online. Oh wait.
Uy, ayaw mo talaga ako patulugin, no? Baka ka talaga, nagdadagdag ka pa ng mga lalaki dyan. Kilala mo ba yan sila, Justin? Ako nanonood ako ng ano eh.
Pero alam ko yung, yung show.
No guys, Mingu is not online now.
Akala ko talaga si Mingyu. Mamatay na siguro ako.
17.
Oo. Ayos. Umaasa ka. Pero naglalaro ka everyday ng Justin, ng LOL.
Pag may time, laro. Yun na yung break.
Uy, baka masyado ka mapuyat
Okay lang, minsan lang naman.
Nakakahiya, baka magagalit yung mga family mo sa akin.
Kunwari lang yung pinapatulog ako.
Hala!
Sila nga, di pa natutulog yun.
Yes. Oh, single ba siya? Let's not talk. Ayokong masira yung fantasy ko. Wag na natin siyang tanungin.
Ano mo nalaman?
Hindi ko alam. Siguro hindi yan single. 31 na eh. Ako sa mga ganyang age, magsasettle na ako.
Parang ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, 31, parang bata pa yung 31.
Hey, Wanik, are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
Okay. Okay na pala. Okay na pala. Kaya ko pa hanggang alas 4.
Usually what time will you what time sleep?
I think me I will sleep around 1:30.
1:30. How about Justin?
I usually sleep around 12, but I'll sleep later.
Yeah, actually he slept late because you're here.
No, really.
Right?
Walang time.
You me?
Yeah.
About nowadays 3 a.m. Yeah.
Oh, so it's 2 a.m. there, right?
Yeah.
almost.
Now almost 2 a.m. 민지 hi. 민지 지금 민규 형은 지금 왜 안 해? 지금 연락이 없네 민규.
Bakit daw hindi online? Ba't daw hindi pa online si...
Ang hot niya naman
민규 형
Sorry.
하면 좋은데.
Huwag mo akong pansinin, Justin, na nagsa-fangirl ako dito. Yeah. I miss the train there, di ba? The train there in Korea is right? Right? Are you right?
What's that?
The train there before the train will arrive.
Subway. You Subway, right?
Yes, Subway Surfers.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that's what I miss about Korea. Yeah, and I love the food. The raw marinated crab.
Sorry, what's that?
Raw marinated crab.
Raw marine crab.
Yeah.
What's that?
Crab with sauce?
Yes, it's a crab. It's a raw crab.
Marinate. I got it.
Marinated in soy sauce.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. 양념 간장게장.
Yes.
게장.
Yes na lang. Yeah, I know that, Justin. Yes, it's ganjang. What's it?
간장게장.
Yes, ganjang. Yeah, we ate that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's.
Ate, slayed, and devoured.
Mm.
We ate it, we slayed the crab, and we devoured it. In Philippines, we call it kinilaw.
Kiniro.
Sinilaw.
Kiniro.
Yeah.
When you weigh something like 1 kilo, 2 kilo,
Can raise?
He is joking.
Yeah. I know.
fine weight.
Can you joke? Because most of the time we joke, and I just don't know what's the humor in the Korea.
What kind of joke do Korean do?
I think short short word, you know? 줄임말? Actually, joke explain so difficult.
Oh yeah, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Just joke me, daddy.
Yeah, joke. What's that?
Joke me one sick, one ick.
What is the joke mean?
Joke me. Meaning you will say a joke to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's hard. You said it's hard to make a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, in Korean. In the Philippines, we took everything as a joke. So
Yeah.
yeah, even my life is a joke. Nagrant. Yeah. Our humor here is kind of different.
My friend.
It's kind of different. Our humor here is different.
Humor.
Yeah.
Joke style.
Joke style.
Do you like what's your type in girls, Wonik? Do you like someone who does doing makeup, or do you like without makeup, or
I like Thor and
tall?
Thor. Yeah.
I'm 5'8", by the way.
Oh.
172 meters.
Oh really? You're so tall.
Yeah. And I'm just sharing. Okay, what's next?
And Thor face.
Toro family daw?
Yung tall face.
Toro family? Oh, we have mommy on me here. Ano daw? Tall face?
Tall face.
No. No. Face
Mm-hmm.
like dog. Some cute.
Mukhang aso.
Guys, mukha pala akong aso, no? For now. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, tama pala yung mga comment niyo na mukha akong aso.
Looks like a puppy.
Oh yeah.
Tama pala, guys. Sige lang, mag-comment lang kayo na mukha akong... Doll! Doll kasi, hindi dog. Ano?
Ada.
Ikaw talaga, Justin, pinapahamak mo ko.
Or yeah.
Doll, not dog!
Adal.
I'm not a dog. Pumayag pa ako, tumahol-tahol pa ako dito. I thought you said dog because dog is cute, right?
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Dog. Yeah. Puppy. Yeah.
Oh, tama.
But I'm...
Yeah, puppy are cute. Here in the Philippines, when you say you look like a dog, it doesn't. It's not that good. Depending on the dog. So
Yes.
should
But
put
if
it
it's American bully, I will kick you. What
Not-
dog breed do you want?
Like poodle.
Oh,
Oh!
smart,
I'm a
smart,
poodle.
Oh.
Ano? Ano entry mo?
smart. Hindi, matalino yung poodle.
Oh, really? I don't know. I guess so. Toy poodle? I want a toy poodle. I'm not joking, huh?
What's your ideal type?
Me?
Yeah.
I want someone who's cute face. Yes.
Cute face.
Yeah. I also want someone in 30s.
And
And I also want someone who have abs. Yeah. Do you have? Can you see? There's lang. I want someone who is shy and introvert. Yeah. Calming voice.
I got it.
Yeah. You just did. Ayan na. Anong, what's your type? O, ba't ayaw mo sagot?
Ano, my type are very nice person like that. Very
Yeah.
nice face as well. Like not like I don't know, intimidating. Not too intimidating face. Like very
Very sweet. Very charming.
angel face like that.
Oh, angel face. Mahilig ka ba sa Sonny Angels?
But like yeah,
Yeah.
cute and fresh. Fresh.
Yes, and fresh. Yeah. That's our type.
Sure.
So you do live every day, Woni?
Yes, every day I try nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do you do live every day?
Justin is not every day. Yeah. He rarely do live, di ba?
Yeah.
As Neil, how about you?
Me, these days, because I'm in a lock-in shooting, movie shooting, so I have nothing to do. But, sometimes I do live. But right now, I think I might go live again tomorrow and then the day after. But the day after that, I will not live. Just so you know my schedule, yeah. If you know, yeah. Kasi para ma-updated ka sa akin.
Do you usually live streaming about same time, about 10 p.m. or 12 p.m.? 12.
Ikaw, kung gusto mo, wala naman akong arte eh. Yeah, I usually do live at that, around that. What's the type, what's the hairstyle called?
You?
No, you, both of you.
This my hairstyle now.
What is it called?
Actually, just volume magic.
Volumizing.
Magic, volume
Do
magic.
you know down pump? Down pump, do you know? Yes, some pump, you know? Yeah. And I straight
Perm.
pump.
Straight perm.
Because I have some curly hair.
Me too, the kilikili.
What?
I have some kilikili here too.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. What is your hairstyle?
Me, my hairstyle is wig.
Wig?
This is my hairstyle is portable hairstyle.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a wig.
Wow.
Yeah. It's not a real hair. It's a artificial hair. Justin, what's your hairstyle?
Mine is perm too. Perm.
Hey.
Yes, perm. No, I'm just kidding. It's just hair. Our stylist did this one. It's not down. It's not up. It's just
Yes.
yeah. But I have straight hair.
Yeah. Looks so good.
Oh.
Hello, bakit sa'yo ginanyan, tas sa akin wala?
Look good as near.
Hello, nag-gets niya ako. Why did you get it? I don't...
I think yeah. You're
Oh,
fair.
so like, you're a Filipino now.
Yes. So
Hello.
actually, yes, I know well now.
Sorry. Ay, sorry.
Nice.
Ito talagang asawa ko talaga, parang zero. Justin, third wheel ka muna ngayon, ha?
Okay lang. Support.
Fast learner. Yeah, you're such a fast learner. One. Mm-hmm.
To you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think you are not a learner. You're a teacher. You taught me how to love. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ng iyong mata. Tara, pahinga muna. Yes. You both talk, okay? I will pee.
Sorry.
She will go to the restroom. She will release water.
Yeah. Justin, today, when sleep, when do you sleep?
Oh, maybe after this one, when Esmir and his life.
So actually, I know idol and thing superstar is so busy every day.
Oh,
Aren't you tired?
it's okay. It's just like talking, but yeah, we had like so many schedules early.
Yeah.
Who? What?
Secret.
Oh, nagsi-secret ka na.
Yeah.
Are you keeping secrets to me now?
Sorry.
Ano daw?
Why are you? He said, "Why are you keeping secrets to her? Don't you love her out?"
Yeah, are you keeping secrets, Wanik?
Yeah.
Wala, ang cute niya. Sige, go lang. I-keep mo yan. You're making fun of me.
Oh.
Oh, you're 190K.
Wow. So amazing. Wow.
Yeah, right.
Thank you very much. Thanks to you guys, actually.
What type is it?
Why?
Yeah, I will go by 1:30 or 2:30 there.
Yeah, right. Now 2:10 a.m.
2:11 a.m. Alam mo ba sa Korea, mas mahal yung ano nila, local brands kesa sa ano.
Talaga ba?
Mm-mm. Tapos yung mga local brands nila, sila ano, yung mga sila Lee Min-ho, yung nag-ambassador. Sobrang mahal. Bumili ako ng necktie dun, naka-ano ako, 10,000 pesos ata yun.
Necktie lang?
Oo, kasi sabi ko, dyan na lang tayo sa gilid-gilid.
Parang
Kinuha ko siya, hindi ko siya tiningnan yung price, tapos pag-punch, 10,000 pesos.
sa mall ka ba
Bakit
namimili?
10,000?
Sa mall?
Oo. Tapos parang gilid-gilid lang talaga siya. Parang butik-butik.
Dapat yung sa sa Hongdae, maganda mag-shopping.
Yeah. Hongdae shopping. Yeah, we tried also. But that time it's so cold, so we can't
Ah,
stay outside that much.
lamig hirap.
Yeah, mga -15. Like, hindi ko na kinakaya talaga.
Hirap pag mahangin pa.
Mm-mm. That's why we go, right in December, Wanik, it's so cold there. Yeah. So what can you say about your frozen river with a cat walking? News. That's a Hindi nyo alam yung news? You
Sorry?
you you know the news there in Korea, in South Korea, the river is frozen
Uh,
and there's a cat. The Han River is frozen and then there's a cat walking in the frozen.
dangerous.
That's a that's a meme.
Yeah. Cat walking the frozen river.
Yes.
Yeah, challenging. The youth. Do you know youth? Cat. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is meme contact.
Yes, that's it. That's a meme.
Yeah. Right.
Ay,
꽁꽁 얼어붙은
Yeah.
한강 위로.
Yes. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, right. Do you know, guys?
Yes, I know that.
Yeah. 꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어 다닙니다. Yes, right.
Yes. Oh, you can be a reporter, huh?
Actually, do you have many meme or challenge in Philippines?
We have Manny Pacquiao.
But
Meme?
meme
A challenge like that? Similar to that.
similar to 꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어 다닙니다. Like this. Do you have?
We haven't made it that global. I Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Meron ba tayong international meme?
I think nowadays Korea K-pop star 앨범을 내다. What is the comeback
Single?
yes, comeback singer, and they have to do challenge, you know, like dancer, short dancer.
Yeah.
Do you have SB90
Yeah. Like
dance challenge?
challenge. Yeah.
Yeah, Gento. Gento is a famous
Gento,
challenge.
really. Yeah.
You should do it. You should try.
Yeah. Dance challenge.
Nakakainis naman.
Bakit?
Hindi po. Ang cute niya naman. Inaantok na si Ja. Inaantok ka na, Ja. Ako din, inaantok na ako. Ano yung nasa likuran mo? Shadow lang ba yan ng chandelier mo? Taray.
Just what is this? Light?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's made of rattan. Made from the Philippines.
Oh. What's that?
It's
Wooden art.
wood made of
Wood.
dried woods.
Yes.
Really? This is this traditional Philippine light?
Yes. It's a furniture.
What's the name?
You should add it to your condominium or Airbnb.
Rattan.
Rattan.
Yeah, it's RATTN. Rattan, then add light like that. Rattan chandelier, rattan chair. Yeah.
RATTAN.
Then you can search any furniture like chair, like that.
Yes, yes, yes. Saan mo ito ha? Ala. Ganyan pa talaga yung pronunciation sa akin ha.
Oh, have you been here in the Philippines, Monique?
No, I never been to there. So, I said as near. I really want to go Cebu and Boracay.
Yeah, first punta niya dito sa bahay siya namin, diretso muna.
My
Hindi kasi my mother will cook you adobo.
oh really?
Yeah.
Actually, my friends visited Boracay and Cebu. They said there.
BGC.
Yeah, there were so nice. There was beautiful ocean, beautiful sky, so nice, good, friendly people. So
True.
you go there.
Yeah. You should go to um
Palawan.
well, Palawan.
Palawan. Yes, many viewers said yeah.
Palawan.
Oh, really? Palawan. Oh, actually, I heard first time.
Palawan. That's so nice. You search El Nido, Palawan. E-L
Yeah.
Nido. Nido.
Ooh. Wow. Is this river or ocean?
It's island.
Island.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's island hopping.
Oh, really?
Sana tuwa ang may likha. Yes.
El Nido.
Justin, no, afam bridge ka daw.
Ano yun?
Bridge ka. Bridge ka daw, sabi.
Ang tumutulong sa
I
atin.
appreciate your effort, Justin. Thank you so much for supporting me in my own ways. In your own ways.
Saan ka nakatira? Ay, wag mo sabihin. There's also another good place to go in the Philippines. You can see the best tourist spot
So where?
at Esnir's house.
I am the tourist spot itself.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, where do you live in Philippines?
Quezon City.
Quezon,
Yeah. Quezon? Manila.
Manila.
Yeah. But if you're going to Cebu, I know their language.
It's different.
Yes, it's
Dialect.
different.
Different dialect.
Dialect pala. Ay, sorry.
Oh, really? Oh, I got it. Alright, different. Dialect.
Meron ka mag-Cebuano?
Oo, Bisaya.
Oh,
Ikaw?
wala. Walang kwenta eh.
Lo, grabe ka naman sa...
Background.
Anong Tarsier? Hoy, ibang tourist spot yung sabi. Ako yung tourist spot mismo, hindi yung Tarsier ha. Nakakainis kayo. I'm so sorry. They are saying that I'm a tourist spot. I look like a Tarsier.
You know Tarsier?
Tarsier, I don't know Tarsier. What is the Tarsier? Sandarabak?
You know Sandara Park?
Yes, I know. Sandarabak is so famous.
Sandara Park is very famous here.
Yeah, it's a very famous park.
Yes,
in the
I know.
Philippines.
Yes.
Tarsier is an animal.
Animal?
Yeah.
Tarsier. Wow.
Do you believe? Ayan na, naglag na siya.
Yeah.
Who is cuter? Tarsier or Esnir?
Ala, nagka-rhyming pa talaga.
Hey. Is this Christian?
Oh, I need.
Yes, as near is more.
I don't have a sound effects right now because I'm charging. Okay, I will sing.
I'm kidding.
Every time I see you.
Wait, wait. Wait a second.
Ang galing niya, is this question? Parang tanong pa ba yan? Di ba? Parang Pinoy lang.
Tinatanong ko ba yan?
Ay, sorry. Sorry naman, Justin, ha? Dami ko ng pagkakamali, eh.
Saan? Nagbabasa siya libro.
Parang ano, encyclopedia yung isa dyan. Oh, Wonik,
Yeah.
in your high school, do you have cleaners?
Sorry.
In your high school, do you have cleaners in the classroom?
Cleaner.
Yan. Assigned
Cleaner.
in
Group
school,
1, Group 2.
class. In your class, do you clean your classroom?
Yeah, sure.
After class?
Yes.
Oh.
Why?
Yeah. So if you fail on your exam, you pass floor wax.
Eh?
If you fail your grades, do you pass floor wax there in Korea to your teacher? So that your teacher will upgrade your grades.
You give cleaning materials to your teacher for extra grade, for extra score.
Or no?
For, exam fail will. No.
No. Sayang naman. Do you fight for wall fan in your classroom?
Fight?
Yeah, do you fight over a wall fan?
No.
Oh, aircon ba sila? Well, but if your teacher is not around, do you list noisy on the board, on the blackboard? You list noisy, the class representative.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
We-
really?
Yes.
Debak. Debak.
Wow. I think high school and school culture is
Are the same.
Yeah, same every in the world.
Not in the Philippines, buddy.
No.
Yeah, well, we're kind of like different from others. We're born different.
So to know more about the high school here in the Philippines, you should go to Esnir's YouTube channel.
With 14 million views. Hala, sila.
She has like series.
My content is about high school.
Oh, really?
About what happens in a high school classroom here in the Philippines. Basically, our culture in high school. That's why my videos, I'm the student, I'm the teacher, I'm your lover, I'm your wife. I mean, I can...
title ba yung ano mo?
So,
Yeah, English.
No.
You should
No, but... Yeah. I'm just asking because I'm curious if we are the same. We have the same tradition and culture in the classroom.
Mm.
So 200K na siya. Wala po akong charis lang. Who is your celebrity crush, Wonik?
Kwani?
Sino?
Kwani is basketball player.
Oh. Si Sean. Andyan ba si Sean? Wala ah.
one.
As near Kwani is from Singles Inferno season 3.
Guan Hee.
Yes, Kwani.
Guan Hee. I thought it's Kwani. Yeah. I know her. Eh di bagay kayo. Eh di wow. Wala dito si Sean.
Do you have friend in Korea?
Friend?
Yeah.
Actually, you're my first Korean friend.
Oh, really?
I'm afraid. To be honest, I'm kind of scared when I visit Korea.
Why?
I don't know. I think just like most of the people in the streets are kind of intimidating.
Mm.
But it's okay. You're kind. I'm surprised you're kind.
Oh,
Thank you for being kind.
being time?
Thank you for being kind.
Uh, no, thanks for you. Thank you.
I have one friend in Korea. I'm sorry. It's Aling Mirna.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Aling Mirna, the one we told you.
Aling Mir. You said your friend. Yeah, Aling Mir. No.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, she or her or him. She or him. She.
She.
Yeah. Is she singer artist?
She's a rapper.
Rapper.
She can rap.
Really? Arling Mina. She. Your mom?
The mother of all. Yeah. Who wants
She mothered.
Uh,
Alam, Feeling ko hindi ako magigising ng 5 a.m. talaga. Malilintikan talaga ako. Kasalanan mo to, Justin, kasi.
Arling. Famous TikToker. Vlogger.
Yeah.
Who?
Your friend Arling Mina.
Yes.
She say good words to people. Very
Inspiring and motivational words.
Lives in Korea. Oh.
She can speak Korean.
Yeah.
Really?
She can.
Yeah, sometimes, if ever, if time permits, I will introduce her. I will introduce you to her.
Oh, so yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I introduce Mingyu.
Sure, why not? Sorry,
You know,
sorry.
I have also a friend.
Who?
You.
Oh, Justin. Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Slay.
I
Yeah.
also have
Marami
a friend.
salamat. Marami salamat.
Bonik is our friend.
I also have a friend Mingyu.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Roby Domingyu.
Yeah.
Tumatawa, kilala niya ba? Si Robby Domingue. Ang ganda ng joke ha. I'll rate it 9 out of 10.
Thank you, thank you.
He's joking again. See, we're jokers.
Actually, you're so friendly. Engineer and Justin.
Thank you, thank
Urino Kingo.
Oh.
you.
What is the Tagalog? 우리는 친구. We are the friend.
Magkaibigan tayo. Kaibigan, chingu. Kaibigan,
Kaibigan.
chingu. Yung magte-take notes? Ano?
Panis.
Kaibigan, chingu.
Kaibigan.
Chingu.
Tayo, uri는.
Chingu. Chingu. Basta
Tayo, uri는. Uri. Tayo.
Tayo.
You know, I have new song coming.
Oh,
Yes.
It's the title is Chingu, Kaibigan.
Oh, really?
Totoo?
Title is Kaibigan.
Yeah, 맞아요.
Wow. When
Congrats.
Plug bigla. When on July 19th.
18.
July 19? Oh, really? Soon.
Yeah, that's also my sister's birthday.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
Yeah. So nag-promote ako, pumunta po kayo sa birthday ng sister. Ala. Yeah, but guys, stream kaibigan this July 19. Eh. Do you want to promote something, Monique?
Oh,
You have a new show?
yeah.
Oh.
Do you have?
Sorry, I can't understand. Sorry.
Oh, I mean, do you have something to promote?
For but advertisement and something.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yes.
What?
Oh, actually, secret.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
No, yeah. Some you.
Hmm. Yeah. I hope you will not forget me when you're famous.
Oh, yeah. I also. Also more famous than now.
Okay na yun. Gets na natin yun. Yes. Absolutely.
Perfection.
Thank you very much.
Uy, matutulog na ako.
Sige, ako rin.
Monique, I think I'm gonna sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I have a shooting movie taping tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
So time to late, guys.
Mm-hmm. It was nice meeting you all.
Yeah, good to
your
see you.
bedtime.
Good to see you. Good to see you guys.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good to nice meeting you. Banasa Pangawa.
Wow. Ikinara gagana con Bikilaka.
Hey.
Ito.
Yeah. Oh, what is the good night? What is the good night?
Good night.
Yeah.
Tulog na.
Tulog ka na.
Tulog na.
Hulung na.
Tulog
Tulug.
na.
Tulung na.
What about in the Korean?
Kupam.
Kupang.
Kupam?
Or 잘자.
Kalja.
Kalja.
Yes.
Goodbye.
잘자. Yes. Bye.
Kaija?
Yeah. 잘자.
Yeah, Chaija.
Yeah. tulung na.
Hey.
Yay. Good night. It
Yeah,
was
good
nice
night.
meeting.
Yeah.
Good night,
Yeah.
Justin. Thank you, Justin.
Thank you then.
Yeah, Justin Asnier, thanks for inviting me and thanks for teaching Tagalog.
Yes, Wanik. Thank you, Wanik. Until next time, if
Yeah,
ever.
see you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you, guys.
Justin, thank you. Bye-bye. Good
Yes,
night.
I left. I will leave. Yeah.
Me too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I will sleep. Bye, Jas. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Jas.
Thank you.
Stream, kaibigan. This July 19. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you.
Bye. Pahinga.